so I'm at Sam's Club and I'm just taking you guys along with me to see what I can find that's new. everyone. So I just finished shopping at Sam's Club, and I don't know, I'm just disappointed. I used to love going in Sam's Club, and the only reason I went today is because they have the Under Armour book bag that my son uses. Well, he likes it. So I went in there to grab that, and I wanted to get the cans of chicken breast, because I believe you get six cans for $9. And then so I had my husband go with me, and we just went in there, and of course we grabbed a few other things. But it's just because I don't know what they're doing. I think they're downsizing, or they're making the store more compatible for the online shopper, because they have a section that's gated off or closed off, and in there, if you look in there, they just have online orders and people packaging stuff. So yeah, so I think that's what they're doing. But it's making it harder, I guess, for just the regular customer who doesn't want to shop online, who wants to actually go out and go to the store to shop for things, you know, and see the actual item before I purchase it. They're making it harder for me, but it is what it is. Yeah, but that's it. That's that's the end of the shop with me for today. My husband ran in to get me a Bahama Mama tropical smoothie. So yeah, and I guess I should take my sunglasses off so you guys can see me, huh? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a great day. Be productive, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Really quickly, I want to send a big shout out to the first few people that watched and commented on my last video, and they are Free Trader, Angela Marie, and Anju Bhajan. The links to their channels will be in my description box below.